Hi, welcome to 11 Plus Vocabulary. We're looking at compound words test 2. So choose one word from each group below to create a new compound word. The new word should always begin with a word from group 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to join a word from any word from group 1 to group 2 to make a brand new word. And most importantly, you've got the options there on the left-hand side, A, B, C, and D, which will actually help you decide which option is correct. So let's go with hop hair. Hop hair. Is that a word? Not quite. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit one word from group 1 to another word in group 2 to make a compound word. Okay, so we're going to join the two words together to make a brand new word. So let's have a look. So hop hair doesn't make sense. Hop snail, there's no such word. Leap snail, there's no such word, but there is a word called leapfrog. So the two words, one from group 1 is leap, and then we have frog. And that gives us leapfrog. So leapfrog means to advance or to move forwards. So that's the meaning of leapfrog. And by all means, feel free to use a dictionary if you want to research while doing this particular topic. Good luck with the rest of the questions. Just keep on reading it in your mind just to ascertain whether it is a word. And then we'll follow this up in our next class, whereby we'll go through all the questions together. Thank you.